Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem. And in today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can add your business location on Instagram. Now it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. Now in order to add a location on your Instagram, you need to first have a business related Instagram account. Now we have made a video on how to change your Instagram account into a business account on our YouTube channel One Step. You can watch that video to turn your Instagram account into a business account first. But if you already have a business account in Instagram, you can follow the steps which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, subscribe to our channel. So I already have a business account. So if I want to add a business location on my Instagram, what I can do is click on my profile picture at the bottom right of my screen. Once I do that, it's going to bring me to my Instagram page. Now once I'm on my Instagram page, I can click on edit profile over here at the top. Once I click on edit profile, it's going to take me on my profile. And at the bottom, you can see where it says public business information. It's showing me page, category, contact option, profile display. Now once you see all these options, from over here you want to click on profile display. Once you click on profile display, the second option where it says display contact info, make sure to turn it on and you can see your address over here. Click on done at the top. Now once you do that, at the bottom over here you can see this option called the contact option appear over here. Now once you see this option contact option, click on it, and the third option from over here is the location. So since I've already added the location, it's showing me over here. But if you haven't added the location, it's going to show you add location. In that case, you can just click on location. So to show you guys how to add a location, I removed my current location. So I can just click on business address. Now enter my street address over here, and I'm going to enter where it is, and I'm going to enter the zip code, and I'm going to click on done at the top. And once your information is added over here, click on done at the top and click on save, and basically you have just added your business location on Instagram. Click on done at the top again to confirm it though, and it's over. That's how you guys can add your business location on Instagram. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.